Virgo, hi. ஸோ நம்ம இன்றைக்கி வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, இஸ் இட் கிளாரிங்? ஓகே. த பர்சன் ஆன் யூர் மைண்ட் அப்படின்ற டாப்பிக்கில் ஐம் கோயிங் டு see what does a person think about you and how do you feel about them. So this is what the topic is, okay? Let's see how does it works. Okay, Virgo. Zodiac sign Virgo. Zodiac sign Virgo. How do the people see the person on your mind? Okay, how does a person on Virgo's mind thinks about Virgo? The person on Virgo's mind thinks about Virgo. The person on Virgo's mind, what are their thoughts about Virgo? The person on Virgo's mind, what do they think? How do they feel? The person on your Virgo's mind. Okay. The person on your mind, how do they feel about you? Okay. How do they feel about Virgo? How do they feel about Virgo? What are their thoughts? What are their intentions? What are their intentions towards Virgo? What are their intentions towards Virgo? The person on Virgo's mind, what are their intentions towards Virgo? Okay. Their intentions towards you is you're starting a new pattern. To be very precise, the old is dead. The old inside you is completely dead. You are about to start a new beginning. Okay, the thoughts about you, Virgo, you are about to start a new beginning because I have received the death card. Okay, but I have got two of swords, two of pentacles. What does it mean அப்படின்னு வந்து கேட்டுட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, there is a lot of juggling moments. There is always a choice. You don't know how to prioritize things. This is what you have been suffering now, or you would have suffered in the past. For some of the people, it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Kindly take what resonates with you. Okay, and the Six of Pentacles. There is a is that a problem? Why is the Six of Pentacles is here? 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 Okay. There was a disaster. There was a disaster. There was a sudden change, or it is a sudden change is happening. There was no action taking place. Is that why there is a lot of problems? Because what is this person doing அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு thought they do have about you, because you seems to be boring, or you seems to be not saying yes, not saying no. You are confused between this இருக்கா இல்லையா, அதுவா இதுவா அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான a lot of confusions in your mind. They do think the same, because I could see Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. Okay, and you seem to be very confusing or very boring, and you don't know which one to take. வேணும்னு சொல்றதில்ல, வேணான்னு சொல்றதில்ல. I don't know. This is how you think, because you're completely broken. சல்லியா உடைச்சிட்டிங்களேடா அந்த மாதிரி. But the old is dead, completely dead. You are about to begin new. This is how you think about it. Okay, everything is done now. Everything is done. Once the anybody who is broken, they are going to get healed at any point of time, no matter what. The new is going to begin very soon. Okay, the Six of Pentacles in the card எதுக்கு வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, there was a change, there was no action taking place. இருக்கு இல்லை ஏதாவது ஒன்று சொல்ல, ஏன் எதுவுமே சொல்ல மாட்டேங்கிற? Why are you so juggling? பேலன்ஸ்டாக ஒன்று கொண்டு போ, இல்லைன்னா வந்துட்டு send me the right answer. Why do you always have the two choice? Even if you have the two choice, you have to pick one, right, in your life. You're not taking any actions. The sudden change, this is why you're This is why you're broken அப்படின்ற thoughts they do have in their mind. Okay, how do you see them? How do the Virgos see about the particular person on their mind? Virgos how does Virgo see the particular person on their mind? How does Virgo see the particular person on their mind? How does Virgo see the particular person on their mind? Detachment. Okay. Okay. There's a lot of detachment between you and the person, but there seems to be you're completely happy on your own. You're here, you're enjoying your own time, or enjoying. This is how they see you. Okay, you're enjoying, you're growing in your life, and the mother they Virgo every the person on your mind பார்க்குறப்ப you're enjoying, you're yearning, you're enjoying on your own. Like it's not like an enjoying, it's like you do have abundance on your own. உங்களை நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கிற அளவுக்கு you do have an abundance. Okay, and you're growing in your life. There is a lot of growth in your life. It seems to be even after the detachment, yes, you are very happy that nothing seems to be like you're concentrating on your work. This is how they say you அவன் பொழப்ப பார்த்துட்டு வந்து போயிட்டாங்க. This is how we are suffering அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான this is how you see them. Let's clarify, because at the same time, how do you see them as a devil? It's a trap or unhealthy or toxic relationship, something like that. Let's clarify. Why the devil is here? Why the devil is here? Why the devil is here? Virgo. Why the devil is here? Why the devil is here? Enough is enough. I'm done with you அப்படின்னு வந்து சொல்லுவாங்களா. This is how they see you, because you're a very you always give me the sleepless night. You're always hurting me. You're always giving the opposite answer of whatever I say. You're always testing my confidence, testing my courage. This is how you see them. Okay, this is a specific reading. I don't know to whom it is going to resonate. It will resonate for a particular person. I don't know who is that. For particular person or particular set of people, it will definitely resonate, because it seems to be a very specific reading. And this is how it is. But very toxic person, I don't want to deal with them, and they're concentrating on their way. It's better, because anyhow I'm going to move on அப்படின்ற மாதிரியான ஒரு தைரியத்தில் தான் you are there. So this is what it is for you, Virgo. Hope. Let's all begin with a good note. Okay, you are broken because of this. Heal completely. Okay, and if you want to take a personal reading, yes, you can take with me. The number will be in the description box, 8610337463. That is chargeable, and this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Okay, so this is for you guys, for the people of Virgo. Let's spread only love.